In our July virtual UX conference, Jakob Nielsen held a Q&A session. He was asked what he considers to be today's biggest design fail.
I sort of have two answers to that. And the one is, I feel that computers are a design fail still, after this many years, in that they're still too complicated. And it's still the case that the majority of the population can't really use technology. I mean, they can use simple things, but they can't use any kind of advanced features. Studies show that it's about 5%, which is really low. 5% of the population are truly empowered by technology and are capable of putting together things to solve their own problem and really do, as I said, advanced use of technology. And 95% are not. And so they can scroll through a timeline or things like that and click one click to buy and stuff. So they can do things. And that's what sort of simple usability is about. Make sure that a lot of people can do simple tasks. But really empowering use of technology is still too difficult. And that I consider to be a big design fail after this many years. It was really the goal of computers to really kind of uplift humanity and make us all more kind of capable. And that has not quite happened yet. So that's a big design fail. But it's also a very complicated thing to solve. It's a big research problem. What I also find is just incredibly annoying at a smaller point is the use of kind of mobile design on desktop computers. And you see a lot of particular websites these days, or also some kind of online apps that are basically a mobile thing just blown up to be like 8 times bigger. And it's not just like making the small thing big and huge, one huge photo. When you have a bigger screen, you got to design differently and give people, again, a more powerful user interface and overcome some of these limitations we have in mobile. So that completely irks me. It's sort of the opposite of the problem that we had 10 years ago, maybe, where we had a lot of mobile designs that were desktop designs shrunk to microscopic size and were hard to manipulate with a finger. So we don't have that much of those anymore. So that's good, but we just have the opposite problem instead. And honestly, we got to acknowledge that design for the medium. And if you have a big screen, do more. Don't do the small thing and make it big. That's a terrible design.